Hi friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for another tiny, tidy Tuesday. I am going to be working in another cabinet here in my kitchen. This cabinet is a double cabinet and I honestly do not have a ton of items in that cabinet, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be keeping all of them. So I'm just really going to take everything out, make sure I like the way I have it all stored, and then put everything back into the cabinet and of course give it a good clean while everything is out. I sometimes feel overwhelmed when I have a big project looming over me, so I like to break it down into small steps, and so that's why I am doing this one cabinet at a time series here on my channel. I still have like a set of drawers that I need to do, and then I have another drawer, and I have like my trash can cabinet, and that is it for this kitchen. And then I'll probably just do like a couple of little tidies around the house, and then I'll probably start in my bathroom and do some cabinets in there. So I will keep continuing with this, but I hope that this video motivates or inspires you in some way, shape, or form. Just let me know in the comments if you are tidying anything along with me, so let's get started. So I just thought that I would show you quickly what I have in this cabinet. This top shelf, I just keep my serving bowls. I actually pull these out and use these. Sometimes I use just the basket, sometimes I use the bowl, sometimes I use both, but I like to keep them in an easy place to reach. Then I have this little thing that a lot of people have out on their countertops, the little spin thing with some utensils in it. I probably will go through these and see if I have any utensils to declutter. I keep my toaster oven in here, my Instapot, I keep my crock pot, and you cannot see it, but I have a blender in here and I have some knives as well. So let's just go ahead and take all that out.
Every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strain. We push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again.
Okay, so I have my cooking utensils. I'm just going to do a quick sort of them just to make sure that I do not have any that I need to declutter. I don't think I do. I'm just going to take them all out and then put them back.
Throw it all at me. Spark with the golden child. We both know who is right. Through the screaming and the wild, through all the tears and all the pain, the late night deliberations, you know I'd do it all again. Yeah, I'd do it all again. windshield, like raindrops on a field. Pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. Oh, we push on through the rain. Oh, I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live.
So I did not find anything in that cabinet to declutter, which is good. I wish that when I packed up this kitchen for our renovations, I wish that I would have taken pictures of all of the things that I decluttered, because I decluttered so many things that I love it that it's pretty basic now, you know, and I do have that cabinet just to kind of store my big bulky things that I don't really know where to store. But I do have some things that I'm going to, and I am thinking about possibly one day moving all of the utensils from that little spinning utensil holder into the drawer that I have some other utensils in. I just am not 100% positive, so I'm leaving it in there now as is, and it's honestly, so I'm leaving it in there now as it is, and honestly it's not that big of a deal because I have room for it, and I just prefer to leave that and the knives in the cabinet. That way they're not cluttering up my countertops. That's just a personal choice. But I do have some things to show you that I am decluttering from my kitchen. A few episodes back, I did like my little food prep area. I think I had like some bowls and chopping boards and that kind of thing. And my chopping boards had seen better days. So I went and I bought this one. And I used it one time, and I don't think it will show. Do you see all of this? So this is from one time. And so I decided that I wanted just one good wood cutting board. I just decided for me that I do not want to have the plastic ones anymore. So I am decluttering this one. So that's one. I am decluttering this one. And if you can see down in there, it just has like, you know, where the knife has just kind of taken chunks out of the plastic part of it. So I'm decluttering that one, so that makes two. I'm decluttering this one, so this is a third. Decluttering this one, so that's a third one. I'm decluttering this one. I'm decluttering this one. I mean, look at all of that. It's just not for me. And then I'm decluttering this one. So that makes 6 items that I am removing. I know it was not from that cabinet, but I did want to go ahead and show you those. It will probably end up in my end of the month declutter video as well. But I did want to show you guys those things that I did find to declutter, and I hope that you found this video motivating and inspiring, and that you know, and that I hope that I am inspiring you just to do just a little bit and just work in small little manageable sizes and just focus on progress over perfection, which is something I really need to work on. So remember, take time to live, and I will be back on Thursday with a 10 with Jen. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.
Again.